Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna from ClearTax. Today, let me explain the basics of Form 16 to you. What is Form 16? Form 16 is a certificate issued by an employer and it contains the information you need to prepare and file your income tax return. It validates the fact that TDS has been deducted and deposited with the tax authorities on behalf of an employee. Employers must issue Form 16 every year on or before 15 June of the following year, immediately after the financial year in which the tax is deducted. However, due to COVID-19 pandemic, the same was extended till 15th August 2020 for the financial year 2019-20. Form 16 has two components, Part A and Part B. In case you lose your Form 16, you can always request for a duplicate copy from your employer. Now let's look at what Part A of Form 16 constitutes. An employer can generate and download this part of Form 16 through the Traces portal. Before issuing the certificate, an employer should make sure he or she authenticates the contents of Form 16 thoroughly. It is important to note that if you change your job in one financial year, every employer will issue a separate Part A of Form 16 for the period of employment. Some of the important components of Part A of Form 16 include name and address of the employer, TAN and PAN of the employer, PAN of the employee, also the summary of tax deducted and deposited quarterly, which is certified by an employer. So now let's look at what Part B of Form 16 is. Part B of Form 16 is an annexure to Part A. If you change your job in one financial year, then it is for you to decide if you want Part B of the form or both from the employers or from the last employer only. Some of the important components of Part B include, and these are also the newly notified fields. Number 1, detailed breakup of salary. Number 2, detailed breakup of exempted allowances under Section 10. 3, deductions allowed under the Income Tax Act under Chapter 6A, and specific fields are notified for deductions under Section 80C, 80CCC, 80CCD1, 80CCD1B, 80CCD2, 80D, 80E, 80G, and 80TTA. Details you require from your Form 16 while filing your return include: number 1, allowances exempt under Section 10. Number 2, breakup of deductions under Section 16. Number 3, taxable salary. Number 4, income or admissible loss from house property reported by employee offered for TDS. Number 5, income under the head of other sources offered for TDC. Number 6, breakup of Section 80C deductions. Number 7, aggregate of Section 80C deductions, gross as well as deductible amount. Number 8, tax payable or refund due. Additional information which you will require from your Form 16 while filing your tax return include TDS deducted by the employer, TAN of the employer, PAN of the employer, name and address of the employer, current assessment year, your name and address, as well as your PAN. So next time you're filing your return, all you have to do is just download and upload your Form 16 on the ClearTax portal and your filing will be completed within 7 minutes. So if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to the ClearTax channel and hit on the bell icon for getting a notification as and when we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.